This 10-inch frying pan from KitchenAid is a solid choice for your kitchen. The KitchenAid hard anodized ceramic nonstick frying surface means food won't stick easily. This makes cooking eggs or pancakes a breeze. Cleaning up is also super simple. You can often just wipe it down with a sponge. The blue velvet color adds a nice pop to your stovetop. It feels sturdy, and the handle is comfortable to grip. The KitchenAid hard anodized ceramic nonstick frying pan heats up evenly. This helps your food cook without hot spots. You won't have to worry about some parts burning while others are still raw. The size is just right for cooking meals for 1 or 2 people. It's not too big and not too small. It fits easily in the sink for washing. And storing it in a cabinet is also convenient. This item is a reliable tool for everyday cooking scenarios. Overall, the KitchenAid hard anodized ceramic nonstick frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It offers good nonstick performance and is easy to clean. While it might not have fancy bells and whistles, it gets the job done well. You can count on it for your daily cooking needs. There are no obvious defects in its design or function. It's a dependable pan that simplifies cooking and cleanup. For anyone looking for a solid, everyday pan, the Wadillo nonstick frying pan skillet is a great choice. It's a fantastic addition to your own kitchen. Plus, it makes wonderful gifts for the chef in your life. Its convenient size is ideal for many recipes, and its durability ensures it will be a stock item for years. While it doesn't have a huge capacity like larger pots, its 10-inch size is perfect for daily meals. There is no legend to decipher. It's simply a well-made, reliable pan. Forget about sticky situations and enjoy easy cooking with this Wadillo nonstick frying pan skillet. Pros: easy to clean, good nonstick, heats evenly, durable build, lightweight feel, comfortable. Handle: oven safe up to 500 degrees F, less oil needed, stylish blue color, good heat conduction, made without PFAs, made without BPA, made without lead, made without cadmium. Cons: non-stick may degrade, hard to clean if burned, some find it sticks, handle can get hot. Lighter weight. Con for some: discoloration after few uses, not truly non-stick for some, coating may not last long. Features: non-stick, ceramic, hard anodized 10-inch, frying pan, skillet, blue velvet, durable. Easy to clean, versatile. This 10-inch KitchenAid frying pan has a smooth ceramic coating that stops food from sticking, so you can cook with less oil and cleaning up is simple. It's made with strong material that is much harder than regular aluminum, which means it will last a long time. The blue color looks nice, and you can use this pan for many different kinds of cooking on the stove and even in the oven. This KitchenAid 10-inch frying pan boasts a ceramic nonstick surface that makes it easy to clean and requires less oil for cooking. It heats food evenly, has a durable yet lightweight design, and features a comfortable handle. This stylish blue pan is oven safe up to 500 degrees F and made without PFAs, BPA, lead, or cadmium, promoting good heat conduction. However, the nonstick might degrade over time, and it can be difficult to clean if food is burned. Some users have found it to be sticky, and the handle can get hot. While lightweight is generally a plus, some may find it too light, and discoloration might occur after a few uses, with the nonstick quality potentially decreasing over time for some users.